Yes, peace and light, knowledgeable true virgin. I always tell people on this platform that the over drinking of water, H2O, is a lie and not good for the body that leach nutrients from the blood, especially the one that is called iron. I gotta tell you, my people, the true water to drink is H3O2, which is the natural squeeze water from fruits. Any other water will leach nutrients from the blood, and iron is the one that feel all the pressure. So we are formulated this iron supplement. It's more of like a plant rinse. 16 bark consists of the highest level of iron medicinal trees. Yeah, and we put it in one bottle. Mothers have benefited from it. People going through menstrual erectile dysfunction patient, people who lost their oxygen in the blood from over smoking nicotine and tar from weed and craving A respectively. I'm telling you, this is the energizer that put back iron in the blood and keep the blood flowing again, so that yes, men and women, you can feel alive again. Remember, according to Dr. Sebi, the engine of the body is iron. Most time you are undergoing pressure from any form of disease is simply that the body is anemic. That is why we look so pale instead of this tan object. This is why we cannot manage the sun anymore and many more. So look at this product. This product will speak for itself. If you take it past 5 weeks, I'm telling you, you will feel a heartbeat in your head, because if you go to the doctor, they will tell you that your iron level is too high and it does not blow so fast like your pharmaceutical synthetic iron capsule that keeps on. You gotta come back. Yo, listen to me, no man. Me no need nothing else to say. This product sell it sell.